What's up, dudes? It is Oprelia here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this new AI music prompter called Sonauto or Sonauto. I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to pronounce this, and this is actually making some headlines as it actually is free to use. So only thing you need to do really is register your account on the website, and then you can basically start prompting. And there doesn't seem to be any form of credit system in the actual platform, so you're basically, in my understanding, able to prompt much music as possible. That might change obviously in the future. They might start charging for stuff obviously for their model, but this is actually pretty good as you don't need to run it on your own computer or anything like that. And let's kind of listen to some of the popular tracks on the platform.
Give me back my rage cage, Satan, let him go. I will pay the price of my soul. Give me back my rage cage, my brother. Survive, let the sea survive, let the sea survive. Bleed to the underworld. Give me back my rage cage, Satan, let him go. I will pay the price of my soul.
So as you can hear, that is actually Tenacious D sounding thing. Now I don't know actually the prompt behind it, where they're just adding a lot of keywords to basically get that sound, but it seems that there are people who have been able to really copy the sound of certain different musicians out there. And here's apparently a Foo Fighters.
Hello, friends. We are organizing a band. Use a parody name music in the radio of the site first. Thanks to...
Okay, this is not Foo Fighters. Let's listen to another one.
But I wouldn't change a thing. No, I wouldn't change a thing. The sadness is a gift to bring. The morning is a song to sing. Real taste.
Let's listen to another one.
Redzilla, beyond confused and slow, like
Face solid anymore, harder to move, bubbling up.
So one of the things I've actually noticed based on my testing on the platform so far, it might be a very small sample size, but it seems that there's a bit more like a vocal range between the singers on the songs. When I do things on Suno, I feel like a lot of the voices kind of feel like they are a bit similar to each other. Like there's not a lot of vocal range. And when we hear like something like Tenacious D style of a voice, I'm thinking like, okay, there seems to be a different type of model here at works, or maybe they're copying straight up like popular music. So they're able to prompt things that actually sound a bit different from your generic stuff. And they also can prompt, there is different language things obviously here. I think this might be
Ostavili sasvim. Niko ne nudi ruku, boli svaki pokret.
So I don't know, that's Romanian or some Slavic language, but basically it can do different languages as well. So the quality is pretty decent, I would say. It has a definitely a different feel to it versus a lot of the Suno stuff. And here is a couple of things that I was able to prompt out. So I was really curious about, can I actually prompt something that is sounding like a certain specific band? Because obviously that's something I would probably desire the most to do, instead of like totally original stuff. I would maybe like have a cover song of a certain band performing this or that. So here's a couple of Linkin Park things I was able to prompt out.
The walls are moving in. I can feel it starting again. Give it up, give it up, give it up. Pulling me under the surface. Everything coming down on me now.
So as you can hear, that didn't sound anything like Linkin Park. Here's another one.
The walls are moving in. I can feel it starting again. Give it up, brick by brick, line by line.
That sounds like more like Shinedown. And then I just added like, hey, if I add the artist singing there, maybe we'll go closer.
Give me something to feel. Give me something to feel. Tearing through the surface just to see if I am real.
So it's not able to really closely recreate, at least with these specific prompts that I was able to give it. And I also feel like it's not always following the prompts exactly as I want it to. There is like an advanced tab where you can actually give a lot of different things, like certain keywords here. Okay, these are the things that we're trying to do. So here, let's actually try to do a German Eurodance song from 1990s, dark pop, female vocals, German lyrics. And yeah, let's just go with a simple one. Then we can actually copy this and just try to do like a bit more like that. So let's see if I can just like go with that terms. Will it change actually anything? Late 1990s, probably that. Eurodance, German pop, and then we're gonna be German. Let's put that in there too. Dark pop. Yeah, let's say trance. Let's go with those auto lyrics, and you can add your own lyrics here. Apparently, there's also style and strength. So yeah, okay. Let's go with the standards one. So here we go. So you kind of get a bit of an idea how long it takes to actually prompt here. Sometimes it does say that there's a bit of a quality issue with V3, so sometimes there's gonna be a lower quality results. I don't know what exactly that means. So here, example for, I got a song that actually got rejected, so it did fail to actually prompt. Now let's go back into some of the other things I was trying out. So one of the things that the early versions of Suno couldn't do was actually beatboxing.
Lower it down, over the crown. Boom bap, giving it back. Boom bap, click clack, giving it back. I do it, I did it, I don't.
So here you can hear that, yeah, that's not beatboxing. It has nothing to do with beatboxing. It's hip hop, but that's not beatboxing. And here's another one.
Watch how I breathe, heavyweight under my sleeve. Built this from.
Yeah, so that's also hip hop, a bit more maybe raw acoustics there on the drums and stuff like that, but still not beatbox. So it's not able to really distinguish these very, very detailed things. And I feel like that was really the problem with the early Suno versions. I feel like Suno can basically do yodeling, beatboxing, enkai. It can do all types of weird stuff these days. All these like, and also, you know, also like very, very wild instruments. Here's also an Arabic song, and I told it, hey, Arabic lyrics, Arabic song, give us an English prompt.
Oh, the dunes, they keep moving.
Now it does create, I did say, okay, create something about the dunes, write about the dunes. I also said add sitar into sitar songs in both of these prompts that it was basically. So very loosely following actually the prompt. So that's something I don't like. Then I tried to do a recreation of the track by Sting, The Desert Rose. I've been really driving to that track. I really love it. I added actually.
I call your name across the dunes.
I said that, hey, use Sting's voice, use the other, you know, Algerian, you know, singer that was on that song, and it's not really sounding anything like that. So that was also a failure, and there's nothing Arabic here either, so it's just English. I didn't actually try out, is it able to do songs that are implementing both multiple languages? That's something that Suno can definitely do. Here's some French pop.
Des mains froides, des yeux gris, des secrets qui me font peur le soir. C'est fini pour nous deux.
So that sounded actually pretty good, and it was. I just only gave 2 prompts: French pop and French lyrics, and it actually did follow here in both prompts, and it, you know.
Midi, il m'a brûlé les cartes, il m'a brisé le jeu.
So it's following. Now let's look into the Eurodance thing. So as you can see, it's actually pretty fast. Suno is also fast. Audio things are coming out pretty fast in general. And here's the end results.
Der Wind bläst durch
Straße, alles leer. Lauf weg.
So actually that went pretty well, but there is no female vocals here, which was actually on the tags. Let's try another one.
Haus, schwere Schatten, kriechen leise hierher. Hilf mir hierher raus. Alles schwarz, alles leer. Waren Lügen aus Eisen. Ich suche dich. Lauf weg. Oh, oh.
Okay, not too bad. And here are the ones that we just prompted a minute ago.
Dein Blick brennt tief. 1000 Funken im Kopf. Sinn, kein Halt. Farbenblut aus Glas. So bitter kalt. Ein Wort, kein Sinn. Aus Glas. Aus Glas. Sicherheit, 1000 Funken im Kopf.
That sounds a bit like Scooter, but that basically is kind of my rundown of Sonauto. So it is actually pretty good for something that is totally free. And yeah, if you're going to be doing some type of project, you know, like, yeah, you can use music here. Do you have the commercial rights to sell this stuff? That's kind of like a bit of a hard question, because when you go into the terms, it doesn't really like say exactly, like, I guess you can put this whole text into ChatGPT and ask like, what exactly are my legal rights to use that music or sell it. Obviously, in case you're new to the channel, I did do a whole video about like how can you sell your AI music, a whole like video, so I'm gonna link that in the corner. But overall, I would say it's actually very decent. It's probably on the level of Udio, but in terms of maybe the actual like, it's artistically maybe very much closer to Suno, but maybe some of the mixing or like, you know, some of that stuff is maybe not in the same level as Suno. It feels a bit more lower production in a way, if that makes sense. Like it feels a bit more, you know, underground sound. It's like not being touched by a very big professional. It doesn't sound also like, you know, very super record label, and some people might like that raw sound a bit more. Obviously, that's a very big preference thing. But that's basically my thoughts about Sonauto. You can find a link down below in the description where you can basically sign up for your account and start basically, you know, creating your stuff on the platform. And as of right now, I don't think there's any limitations on how many songs you can basically do with it. And obviously, for people who have been prompting music, I would love to know, what do you think about how does it compare against Udio and Suno? Is it really far behind, or is it a lot more closer to the level than I've been basically saying? Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more AI stuff by subscribing. Cheers.